Hello and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Friends, in this clip I'll be discussing with you about our rank 8 UPSC examinations topper Kartik Jeevani. Friends, Kartik Jeevani, an IIT mechanical engineer who is an IPS officer of the Gujarat branch, has made his city proud by obtaining the 8th place in the UPSC examination. Jeevani set a record by achieving the highest rank from Gujarat in the record of the state civil service examinations in his third try to pass the test. Alright, now let's have the biography of Jeevani Kartik. Jeevani had previously passed the UPSC test twice and was chosen for IPS on his first try. Jeevani received the 94th rank in 2018 and was chosen into IPS. In order to pursue his goals, he took the test again in 2019 and was ranked 84th in the result released in August 2020. Jeevani was inspired by the plague pandemic that afflicted Surat in 1994. He loved reading about S.R. Rao, an IAS official and previous city municipal commissioner who reorganized the city during the epidemic. Alright, now let's talk about the other details of Jeevani Nagjibai. Friends, Jeevani Nagjibai's discussion about the optional subject is now about to begin. Alright, he took geography as his optional subject. He read NCERT 11th and 12th geography for his whole geography preparation. He took a blank notebook and noted down all the important points in around 50 to 60 pages. Apart from this, now let's talk about Jeevani Kartik Nagjibai's examination hall strategy. Number 1 is developing the elimination technique. Number 2, the options trick. You can check the previous year's question papers and notice that all 4 options have 25 right answers each. So option A will be correct in 25 questions and the same goes for the options. This is the option trick you should always be careful and reminded about. Apart from this, again for the answer writing practice, you must give a lot of mock tests according to Jeevani Bhai, and this will help you develop in quality as well as the presentation. Alright, apart from this friends, if you want a really clear UPSC examination, you must be good at the interview as well. Therefore, Plutus IAS presents you the best mock interview preparation. Apart from this, Plutus IAS also have given 6 selections under rank 30th and rank 2 selection as well. So definitely check out Plutus IAS once. Let me tell you first that what Plutus IAS coaching provide their students. 1. Online classes with highly experienced faculty, weekly quiz, test series, study material, video lectures, daily newspaper, daily current affairs, strategy planning, and finally monthly magazine for current affairs. Friends, apart from this, there is specific features of digital coaching which is an important aspect in current scenario includes 1. Highly interactive teachers and sessions, meaning that you can interact with your teachers in a much better way in this coaching institute. Alright, let's move on to the second benefit of this institution when it comes to digital classes. Second, we can talk about instant doubt clearance, as in when students ask doubt, their doubt is cleared, and then they also provide you chat facility available. Classes can also be recorded and can be used for revision. Visual interaction with faculty can also be done easily, and each student can hear voice of other student on portal as well. Alright, the mail ID includes info@plutusias.com and contact number is 8448440231. I hope you got all the enough information and knowledge about this clip. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.